Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect Nighthawk router to Spectrum modem, bridge mode and WAN setup guide. To connect a Netgear Nighthawk router to a Spectrum modem, you must configure the Spectrum device to pass the public IP address directly to your Nighthawk. This avoids a double NAT conflict which slows down your internet and disrupts online gaming. Step 1. Physical WAN hardware connection. Before changing software settings, establish the correct physical connection. Power down. Unplug the power cables from both your Spectrum modem and Nighthawk router. Next, coaxial cable. Ensure the coaxial cable from the wall is tightly screwed into the Spectrum modem. After that, Ethernet WAN connection. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet/LAN port on the Spectrum modem, and then plug the other end into the Internet/WAN port on your Nighthawk router, usually color-coded yellow or separated from the other ports. Now power on. Plug the Spectrum modem back in the electrical outlet and wait 2 to 3 minutes until its online indicator light turns solid blue. Then boot router. Plug in the Nighthawk router and wait for its power and internet LEDs to turn solid green. Step 2. Configure bridge mode based on device type. Scenario A if you have a standalone Spectrum modem most common. If your Spectrum device has only one Ethernet port and no built-in Wi-Fi, it is already a standard standalone modem. So no bridge mode is needed, as standalone modems operate in bridge mode by default. Here is the crucial action to take. You must strictly power cycle the modem. Spectrum modems lock onto the MAC address of the first device connected to them. So unplug the modem's power for 60 seconds and connect the Nighthawk router. And plug the modem back into so it assigns the public IP to your Nighthawk. Wave 2 Gateway Modem Router Combo. If your Spectrum device has multiple Ethernet ports and broadcasts its own Wi-Fi, it is a gateway that needs to be switched to bridge mode. Connect the computer directly to the Spectrum gateway using an Ethernet cable or its default Wi-Fi network. Then open a web browser and type the gateway's IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, into the address bar and hit enter. Now log in using the admin credential printed on the Spectrum device stickers. From there, navigate to Advanced or Network Settings menu and locate the router mode or bridging toggle and switch it to bridge mode, sometimes also called as modem only or IP pass-through. Now disable the gateway Wi-Fi. Turn off both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless radios on the Spectrum device to eliminate wireless interference. Now save the changes and allow the gateway to reboot. Step 3. Configure the Nighthawk WAN setup. Open a browser and navigate to routerlogin.net or type 192.168.1.1. Alternatively, launch the downloaded Netgear Nighthawk app. Then log in using the default username, admin, and password. Create a secure admin password when prompted. Now ensure the following WAN configurations are set. Internet connection set to does your internet connection require login? Select no. IP address set to get dynamically from ISP, DHCP, DNS address set to get automatically from ISP. Then click apply. The Nighthawk will reboot and pull a public IP address from the Spectrum modem. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.